Look at your laptop charger or monitor cable. Have you noticed that thick plastic cylinder near the end? It's not decoration, and it's not a random part. Without it, your devices might malfunction. So, what is it, and what's its secret? Welcome to the Blueprint Chronicles. Today, we reveal the engineering secret behind this small lump. First, here's a strange fact. Wires don't just carry power. They act as antennas, too. When chargers operate quickly, electromagnetic waves leak from them into the air, just like radio signals. In the past, this leakage was a nightmare. TV screens would get staticky, and radios would fill with annoying buzzing. So, engineers needed a solution that was small, yet ingenious. If you crack open this cylinder, you won't find complex circuits, but rather a dark ring surrounding the wire called a Ferrite bead. This ring is made of a special mixture of iron and other metals that interact with magnetic waves, yet do not conduct electricity. When electronic noise tries to pass through the wire, the Ferrite bead absorbs it and converts it into tiny amounts of heat. The actual charging power passes through smoothly. But here is where the true brilliance lies. Why is this block always located right next to the computer? And why has it disappeared from some modern chargers? Before we reveal this secret, subscribe to the channel so we can discover the hidden stories behind the simplest things in our lives together. Its location is not random, but rather serves as a double gatekeeper. The cable also picks up interference from Wi-Fi and surrounding devices. Placing the bead near the computer blocks this external noise before it enters and also prevents the computer from broadcasting its own noise outward. As for its disappearance today, it hasn't been abandoned. Rather, the engineering has evolved. Ferrite filters are now hidden inside the charger itself or within shielding layers folded into the wire. Nonetheless, they remain present in medical equipment and professional audio systems. The next time you hold your charger, remember that it is not just a wire, but a silent engineering shield.